Days after the explosion on the Deepwater Horizon oil rig, the cap on the well continues to hold back the flow of oil. But millions of gallons of oil remain in the Gulf of Mexico.
The oil recovery and the impacts of this oil will probably extend well into the fall.
BP announced the 75-ton well cap was sealed in place on the afternoon of July 15th.
For almost 90 days of this environmental disaster, all of us have taken hope in the image of clean water instead of oil spewing in the Gulf.
The Associated Press estimates that as much as 60,000 barrels of oil were leaking from the well each day. That's over 2.5 million gallons. At that rate, the total amount of oil spilled was 172,703,776 gallons. It's a staggering number.
The explosion and fire aboard the Deepwater Horizon and the resulting oil spill in the Gulf of Mexico never should have happened.
That's enough oil to fill 287 Olympic-sized swimming pools. It's the equivalent of a six-pack of soda for every American. The cleanup effort has also been massive. BP says it's captured nearly 45 million gallons of oil. It's also been expensive. The leaked oil is worth nearly $13 billion. The company is also paying those hurt by the spill. Payments to people and businesses that lost money have topped $201 million. BP has set aside $20 billion for claims.
For the Americans who live and work on the Gulf Coast, it may be years before they get their lives back.
And for those simply following the disaster, a heart-wrenching look back at a region drastically altered by 100 days of oil. Matt Friedman, The Associated Press.